Good morning, dear students. It's me, Danish, Faculty of Social Science. Dear students, today I'm going to start new chapter, Development from Economics. And these are four very important questions. So first question is, how does development promise different goals to different people? Okay, give three examples. So dear students, these are three very important points. I will describe every point one by one. So dear students, you know what is development, and many times you happen to hear the word development in everyday life. Did you try to understand what does development mean? I'll tell you today. It's a process that creates growth, that creates progress, that creates positive changes in our life. Now you must understood that what is the importance of development in our life. This chapter, developments, will bring a wider meaning and wider concept of developments to you. But development promises different people different goals. So first point is landless rural labor of Bihar. So dear students, development for landless rural labor of Bihar is more days to work and better wages for their hard work so that they can lead a better life. Okay, and next point is prosperous farmers of Punjab. So development for prosperous farmers of Punjab is different. So meaning of their development is to acquire higher income from agriculture so that their children can settle down in foreign countries like Canada, like UK and like United States of America. Next point is an Adivasi community of Narmada Valley. So development for an Adivasi community living in Narmada Valley is very different from the development of landless rural labor of Bihar and prosperous farmers of Punjab. How? So development for an Adivasi community living in Narmada Valley is acquisition of land for cultivation, for agriculture and building homes. So fighting against social discrimination and equality and education is also meaning of development for them. So these are three very important points in which I have described how does development promise different goals to different people. And now I'm going to describe second question. Second question is development for one may not be development for other. Justify the statement, and these are three very important points. So dear students, you know that development promises different goals to different people. As a result, sometimes development of one section of society may badly affect development of other section of society. How? So these are three important points. So first point is girl-boy situation in family. So development for girl is that she can also have same dignity and respect and same share of responsibility in her family, but it may create jealousy and competition among boys in her family. Okay, so development of girl is affecting development of boys in some way. Second point is tribes and dams. So development of tribal people has been very different. They want to conserve their old tradition and they also want to protect their tradition. They also want to and they also prefer living in jungle and in forest so that they can feel themselves very near to the nature. But government of India wants to make dam in their area. For that purpose, jungle will be cut. That will affect life of tribal people. In this example, development of country is undermining development of tribal people. Next one is industrialist versus workers. You know that industrialists want to make huge profit by exploiting their workers. They want cheap labor so that they can make money, and workers want good and handsome salary so that they can make their life better and easier. So development of industrialist is affecting development of poor workers. So in this way we can say that development for one person may not be development for other person. Going to describe third question, write 5 common goals that people have apart from good income and salary. So dear students, good income and salary is backbone of every household. Good income means healthy life and easy going life, okay? But only good salary cannot be optimum goal of human being, because apart from money and salary, human being also needs equality, fraternity, justice, security, respect, resentment for discrimination. Therefore, you will find that every democracy has ensured these common goals in its constitution in the name of fundamental rights. Even Constitution of India ensures it in full-fledged manner. Article 12 to Article 35 of Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights, showing importance of these attributes in the life of Indian citizen. So these are 5 very important goals apart from salary: equality, freedom, security, respect, and resentment for discrimination. Okay, and now I'm going to describe last question. National development tries to answer which type of questions? So dear students, these are 3 very important points. So there is huge difference between development and national development. Okay, so national development is a comprehensive term which includes not only improvement in living standard of people, but also it includes increase in social amenities. Okay, what is social amenities? Social amenities like education, medical care, and social services. Okay, but here we are going to understand national development. Okay, so first point is overall development. So national development deals with overall development of a country. If a country is having good income but it lacks in freedom and justice, it cannot be ever told developed country in true sense. Okay, second point is development for all. So national development ensures development for all. If certain members of people are getting benefit of development and large chunk of societies is forced to live on the margin, it can never be called national development ever. And this is the situation of India. I know. Third one is better way of doing things. Okay, so national development actually refers to better way of doing things in a country so that everyone living there can directly or indirectly get benefit of resources found in their homeland. But what is happening in India? There are huge reserve of natural resources, but benefit of these natural resources are going only to few handful of people like Ambani, like Adani, like Birla, getting rich day by day, but large chunk of Indian societies are forced to live on the margin. They are living beyond poverty and they are forced to live very miserable life. So I hope that you understood all the points very well. So thank you. Bye for now. Khuda Hafiz.